Hi everyone, this is coming to you from Education for All. This is our video number 3 under sequence and series. We are looking at the sequence arithmetic progression, and we have a couple of problems here to solve. We are asked to find the nth terms and the 10th terms in the following arithmetic progressions. We have this sequence 5, 7, 9, 11. The next one is 5, 8, 11, 14. And the last one is -1 plus 3, -1, 3, 7, and 11. So let's start with the first one. We are given the sequence to be this one, 9 and 11. So what is the difference between the two consecutive numbers here? What is the difference? That is where we start. We have already our first term. Our first term, we normally name it as A. So we have A equals 5. And what is the difference? The difference between consecutive terms is 2. 5 to 7 is 2, 7 to 9 is 2, 9 to 11 is 2. So the difference is 2. And what are we asked to find? We are asked to calculate the nth term and then the 10th term. We're asked to calculate these two. So, we are able to calculate the 10th term by just going plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 up to 10 terms. What about the nth term? You know, for an arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence, normally we say AP. The nth term, this you should know it, you should keep it in your brain. The nth term is equals to the first term plus the difference from the nth term, 1 minus from the nth term, times the difference. This is the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So here we are asked to find the nth term. So what the nth term? We know I is 5 plus the difference, we have n minus 1 times the difference times 2, yeah, is 2. D is 2. D is 2. So all what we do here, we have 5 plus this 2, we expand it or we distribute, we will get 2n minus 2 times 1 is 2. You get 2n, 2 times n is 2n, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So now you have 5 minus 2 plus 2n. So this gives you 5 minus 2, you get 3 plus 2n. So this is your, or to write it in a proper way, you put the 2n at the front plus 3. So this is your nth term for this sequence. If they ask you to find the first term, that is when the n is 1, so 2 times 1 plus 3, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. So you get your first term is 5. They ask you to find the second term. This is going to be now 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So you get the first term. So on and so forth, you will get the remaining terms. So this is the nth term. Yeah? You can either leave your answer this way or this way, or this is preferable. Anyway, they are all both the same thing. So now let's jump on to the next question. It says find the 10th term. We now want to find the 10th term. So from here, now the 10th term. To find the 10th term, say like this, this is equals to 2 times n is 10, that is 10 terms, plus 3. And what is, this is 20 plus 3. So the 10th term is 23. Right? The 10th term is 23. So let's go to the second one, the B part. The same thing will follow. For now, the B part, we'll change these numbers here. A is 5. Now the difference from 5 to now B, you have 5, 8, 11, 14. A is 5. Now the difference is 3. Before it was 2. Now the difference is 3. So what do you get? Again, we're asked to find the nth term. You know the formula for the nth term. Yeah? You say the nth term is first term plus nth term minus 1 times the difference. So now the nth term here, we know the first term, which is 5 plus n minus 1 times the difference between consecutive numbers is 3. So you multiply by 3. So again, let's distribute. So this will give us 5. 3 times n plus 3n minus 3. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. So what do you get here? 5 minus 3, you get 2 plus 3n. So which is 3n plus 2. It's the same thing here. I just want this one to be in the front. So this is your nth term for this sequence. Now they say find the 10th term. So your 10th term is going to be 3 times 10 plus 2. This n now becomes 10. So that gives you 30 plus 2. So that is 32. So the 10th term here, if you continue to write, the 10th term is going to be 32. This is your 10th term. Going to be 32. So now let's move on to the last problem there. The last one, which is C. We are looking at C now. So let's remove this. We are looking at C. So C, for C, the first term is minus 1. And what is the difference between minus 1 to 3? And 3 to 7? And 7 to 11? How many steps from minus 1 to 3? There are 4 steps. From 0 to 3 is 3 steps. So minus 1, if you have your number line, don't get confused. This is minus 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So how many steps from minus 1 to 3? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. Yeah? So the difference between minus 1 and 3 is 4. And 3 and 7 again is 4. 7 and 11 again is 4. So your difference now becomes 4. Right? So now your nth term here will become your first term, which is minus 1, plus n minus 1 times your difference, which is 4. So that gives you minus 1. If you now distribute, you get 4n minus 4. So what do you get? Minus 1 minus 4, that gives you minus 5 plus 4n, or equivalently 4n minus 5. That's your answer. So to find the 10th term, you know, n now becomes 10. So you have 4 multiplied by 10 minus 5. Yes, minus 5. So this is equals to 40 minus 5, which is 35. So your 10th term here will be 35. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.